I believe everybody has either seen or at least heard of somebody by the name of
The Lone Ranger.
But what if I told you that he looked a bit less like this and a bit more like this? See, I'd like to introduce you to the story of Bass Reeves. And while I'm not saying that the Lone Ranger was inspired by his story, what I am telling you is that out of all of the Lone Rangers that operated to the west of the Mississippi, Bass Reeves was the baddest of them all. We know that he was a large figure. He stood about 6'2". He was extremely strong and great at hand-to-hand combat. He was a crack shot with pistols, rifles, any type of guns. He was ambidextrous. It didn't matter if it was his left hand or his right hand. This man did not miss. He was illiterate, but he had an amazing memory, and historians say that he would have people read the warrants to him over and over so that he could memorize every single detail, and that even when questioned, he could always pull the right one for the person that he was looking to capture. And the thing that really caught my attention was finding out that he traveled through these territories catching bad guys with his Native American partner. Now this man, over the course of 32 years, he captures over 3,000 criminals alive. That's crazy. How you catch 3,000 people by yourself? So I don't know about you, but the next time I hear this music, I'm probably gonna think less of this guy and a bit more of this guy. Shoot, I'm trying to figure out right now, how did Lone Ranger get his own story? How he get his own TV show? Where the Bass Reeves TV show at? That should have been a syndication a long time ago. For more content like this, hit that follow button.